Welcome back to 50 Car. In a world where fantasy meets reality, the 2025 Lamborghini Urus bursts forth as a symbol of audacious performance and refined luxury that captivates both die-hard enthusiasts and curious newcomers alike. Its overall identity is defined by striking aggression, high-performance engineering, and a lavish aura that dares to merge the exotic with the everyday. Step by step, the exterior design reveals its bold personality. The massive, angular front grille radiates dominance, while razor-sharp LED headlamps flank a sculpted hood that hints at the beastly power under the skin. Flowy yet muscular body contours merge aerodynamic finesse with an unmistakable road presence. Although its pros include an arresting look and strong character, the cons involve a weighty silhouette that can hinder nimbleness in congested areas. Inside, the cabin and dashboard present a marriage of futuristic technology with sumptuous refinement. A sweeping digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen deliver crisp navigation, media, and vehicle data with intuitive clarity. Premium materials, meticulously crafted seats, and ambient lighting create an immersive, high-end atmosphere. Yet, some may find the minimalism slightly austere compared to more tactile, traditional setups. Under the hood, performance is a spectacle of engineering prowess. A twin-turbocharged V8 roars with breathtaking acceleration, catapulting the Urus to high speeds in mere seconds. Its precise steering, adaptive suspension, and advanced braking system make every drive an exhilarating experience. However, high-performance elements occasionally lead to steep part replacement costs, and warranty limitations on stress components remain a concern for the pragmatic buyer. Market positioning for the Urus places it among the elite, with a price tag that reflects its premium nature and targets affluent buyers aged 30 to 60 who value exclusivity and performance. It competes with the likes of Porsche Cayenne Turbo and Bentley Bentayga by offering a uniquely daring driving experience that balances everyday usability with track-ready dynamics. Additional features include advanced safety systems, bespoke accessory packages, and an extended warranty option to inspire confidence, making it a compelling choice for those prepared to embrace both the thrill and responsibility of high-performance luxury.